Folks down here in Humboldt, not as meek as we might seem. We've got a job like a mission. We're part of the Wilson team. Well, to us, it's just a challenge to be better than them all. We think we can do it. Because people, we got balls.
Ball, yes sir, we got ball.
We got Ulster too. Hey man, we got them all.
Ball, yes sir, we got ball.
DP square, 2 P's and 3 competition. Hey, we got balls. Well, Al Scott said we'd make our plan better than the rest. Bald and Dunlap take the pick. We put them to the pit. He said we'd do it. We're doing it. Man, we didn't need a star. Yeah, Al's coaching the Humboldt team. We know he's got balls.
Ball, yes sir, we got ball.
Well, it's time that they stop thinking of the Wilson team is small.
Ball, yes sir, we got ball.
We got calluses and ink stains, and yes, we got balls. Well, now we're up for the Shingo Prize. Hey, we know what that means. We'd like to thank you folks for visiting the Humboldt team. Hey, we're going to make Saul and Judith, make Dunlap beg and crawl. And we knew it all along. I tell the world that we got balls.